Gboogie America. Just letting everybody know that the link I was talking about yesterday is ready. For everybody who purchased the Scammer's Handbook, Part 2, these last 4 weeks, you'll receive a link so you can get more updated information on that book and some more in-depth things. So that's all. I was just going to post a video just to let everybody know. If you didn't receive it, then you know what to do. I think that's it. And oh yeah. Plus today I've been on the phone with the IRS for on hold with the IRS for like an hour and a half for the Corps that we're going to give away, because there's a couple of them that the EINs are misplaced. So the only way to get the EIN, if you don't know what it is to you got to call the 800 number. If you don't believe me, you can look it up. It's the only one way. And right now with the coronavirus and the economy doing what it's doing, there's no way to get anybody on the phone right now. So we're working on it. We're gonna give away 3 of them. They range from 16 to 14 years of age, the Corp. So, but the link is ready. Gboogie.